Makeup brand is better, Morphe Brushes or Too Faced? We are currently doing a battle of the brands. Here's how the full face of Morphe Brushes looks. If you missed part 1 where I did all this makeup, go check it out on my page now. But now we have to go in with a full face of Too Faced on this side and see who's gonna win. Starting off with primer on the Too Faced side, we're gonna go in with the Hangover Primer. And I feel like both of these brands cater to the full coverage girly, so this is gonna be a very interesting battle. Foundation on the Too Faced side, we're gonna go in with the Born This Way Soft Matte. This is an iconic foundation. I also feel like both the brands have some iconic products, so I'm so excited to see which side comes out better. Face contour side, we're going in with the Chocolate Bronzing Sticks. I love these. They are so creamy and so good, but Morphe also has a killer bronzer stick, so let's see. Really don't know. I just feel like Too Faced takes the cake when it comes to the contour or bronzing sticks. These are just too good. Blush on the Too Faced side, we have this Cloud Crush cheek color. I've never seen these, and I didn't have a cream blush from them. I had to go pick this up from Ulta. In the shade Super Candy Clouds, and I'm gonna put a lot because I don't know how pigmented it is, so hopefully it's not too pigmented. And it literally smells like cotton candy. It smells so good. Wait, because this shade is absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like it really blurred and smoothed the cheeks. This is going in my everyday drawer. Concealer on the Too Faced side, we're of course going in with the iconic Born This Way concealer. This is the most full coverage concealer. She is my ride or die. I use her all the time. We're looking so far with all the creams laid down on the Too Faced side, and here's how the Morphe side is looking. Honestly, this cream blush on the Too Faced side is all I can look at. The face on the Too Faced side, we have the iconic Born This Way setting powder. I have not used this in so long. I don't even remember like the finish of this or how it works. On the setting powder, it really blurs and smooths your under eye, but I feel like this shade is a little bit too like yellowy orange for me. I'd prefer like a lighter pinker shade. Flip the face on the Too Faced side, we're going in with the Milk Chocolate Bronzer. This is such a good tone for me. It's not too warm and not too cool. And fun fact, if you didn't know, a lot of Too Faced products smell like chocolate. Blush, we're going in with the Cloud Crush blush. This is in the shade Golden Hour, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it gives a very pretty glow to the cheek. Like, look how beautiful that looks. Shadow for Too Faced, we're gonna go in with the Cold Smolder palette. I feel like these shades were most similar to the Morphe palette I use, so let's see what I can come up with. The shimmer part of the eyeshadow, and this is where I like to compare, so I'm going with this shimmer from Too Faced and putting it at the front of my lid, and honestly, she's holding up against Morphe. I feel like the Morphe one is a little bit more stunning, but this one's gorgeous. Highlighter on the Too Faced side, we're going in with this Moonlight highlighter. I've only used it a few times, but she gets the job done and makes the nose look cute. And on the Too Faced side, we're going in with the Lip Injection Lip Liner. Yes, you heard that right. This is a lip liner that plumps your lips, and the formula is amazing. The colors are amazing, but I am a baby when it comes to plumping stuff, and this burns. And to top off the lips, we're going in with the Pillow Balm, and I'm literally already starting to sweat from that lip liner. I hate it. Last but not least, for setting spray on the Too Faced side, we're going in with the 3-in-1 Hangover Setting Spray. Just gonna set the face in place. And this is a full face of Too Faced on this side and Morphe Brushes on this side. I'm gonna come a little bit closer, and I want you guys to sound off in the comments which brand do you think did better. I honestly feel like both sides look flawless in their own way, but I really want to hear your guys' opinions, and let me know which brands you guys want to see battle up against each other next. Love you, besties.